Hello friends, my name is Vikas and I am here today on behalf of Microsoft Training Team India. Thank you for showing exemplary love for our last videos. Today, I will be introducing you to the latest launch in Surface family, the Surface Laptop Studio. So let's see what you get in the box. So you get one beautiful looking device. Let me just open it for you. Let me just keep it here. You get warranty documents and one power supply. The device comes with boundary pushing 14.4 inches of pixel sense display with 500 nits of brightness and up to 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. The device can be used in 3 modes. So this is a 3-in-1 device. Imagine guys, this is the first device I have seen which can be used in 3 modes, and you will be amazed to see that. So this can be used in laptop mode, and you just start to just push like this. So now you can use this in a stage mode, or you can also call it as studio mode. You can just take it ahead, and then the device can be used in a tablet mode. So one device, 3 modes. So imagine the flexibility it gives you to use the device the way you want to use it. Talking about the processor of the device comes with quad-core powered 11th generation H series processor, which can handle most of your intensive workload. The device is available in 2 variants, i5 and i7. The i7 variant comes with NVIDIA G4 RTX 3050 Ti dedicated graphic card. So now you can play all your games like Hello, Flight Simulator, etc. Device comes with 1 month of free Xbox Game Pass subscription. So now you can enjoy all your games the same day they have released. It gives you access over more than 100 high quality games. The device comes with the largest trackpad ever in Surface family. Optimized for Windows gestures with built-in sensors for comfortable tactical feedback while you navigate. And as you know that we are using devices these days for almost everything. So for cinematic experience for your favorite series and movies, the device comes with enhanced quad omnisonic speakers, including 4 stereo 2-way speakers with dual invisible woofers, which delivers crystal clear sound. Also, the device is coming with 2 USB-C 4 ports. So you can see the ports are here. And these are Thunderbolt 4 ports. So now it makes your data transfer and communicating with external device lightning quick. Do not forget to attach Slim Pen 2 with your device. So as we talked about, that device can be used in different modes. So you can do sketching and whatever you want to write. So like this is the device, you can see how easily. And if you want to erase the same, you can just back of the device. So this is how easy it is. And the device, the Surface Slim Pen 2 comes with 4096 of pressure points. So that means it gives you a natural experience. So you get an experience that you're writing on a paper with a pen. So if you put low force, it'll give you a lighter. If you give it darker, so darker. So this becomes very easy. Do not forget to attach M365 to take out more productivity out of the device. and you can also visit nearest store to you to take experience of the device. So thank you for watching the video. Do not forget to like and subscribe our Facebook page, YouTube channel, and for more such information, sign up to expertzone.com. Thank you and stay tuned.